Hello guys and welcome to unboxmuse. I am unboxmuse guy and this is my twin who doesn't look very happy.
Because you're playing with the product.
Yeah, I'm actually playing with a Samsung S10 Plus 3 weeks later. Okay, there is a bunch of crazy tech coming up.
Thank you.
Like this week. You're talking about the S10 Plus. You know what? I give you 2 minutes to unbox it, talk about it, and then it's my turn.
Okay. Deal.
Arriba.
Okay, alright guys, so this is the S10 Plus price prism black and this is the knife to open it. Let's go. Okay, so here you have the baby. The choice of the phone is the prism black. This is the first thing you have when you open the box. And you have a lot of choice for the colors. You have the prism black, white and blue, and you have the flamingo pink, and the last two are ceramic white and black, only available on 8GB RAM, 512 memory, 12GB RAM, 1TB of memory, only available S10 Plus. So in the box, as usual, you have the travel adapter and the black are matte. Wow, I love it. You have the USB connector right here. It's a nice touch of the logo. And in this box you have the data cable and the last but not least the AKG earphones. In the front you have the Gorilla Glass 6 with the selfie cameras. In the back you have the Gorilla Glass 5 with 3 camera. You have the ultra wide and the telephotos. So on the side you have the power button. Okay, the other side you have the volume up, volume down and the Bixby button. As usual, Samsung didn't remove the jack. The first impression I have about the fingerprints is when you register your finger, you have to really press hard, and sometimes it's not accurate. You're putting the front of your finger, it's taking the back. Anyway, now I have seen a lot of YouTube videos about the fingerprint. When you unlock it, they press the unlock button and then they put the finger scanner. Alright, but you don't have to do so. You can unlock it when it's locked. Let's move to the wireless charging and wireless sharing, which is around 4.5
Hariba, you should go faster now. You should go on.
Can you leave me alone?
Okay, calm down. Stick to my chocolate.
So, wireless charging, wireless sharing, quick test, wireless charging. Alright, this is wireless charging. The Bixby button right here, you can custom it, but it does not remove the Bixby assistant. So you...
Faster.
Why?
Come on.
So, it does not remove Bixby assistant. You long press the button and Bixby come up. The screen is so satisfying. It comes by default, as you can see here, Full HD plus, but you can go higher with this up.
You told me to eat the chocolate, so
but silently.
I'm eating this
silently.
chocolate. You should go faster. Fast.
Okay, okay. One of the last option is the swipe down. Hop, you see, it's not full screen. Now you have to swipe down again. Fast tips with 2 fingers. It shows all the.
You know what? You talk too much.
What?
Now it's done. You're done. Now step aside.
Alright.
I step in.
Show.
And it's my turn. Guys, let's talk about news very fast. Tomorrow, the 25th of March, there is the Apple event, the Showtime event. Ooh. The new TV streaming platform that will be Apple's Netflix rivaling TV and movie streaming services. This is new, but can be nice. There is the new iPad Air and iPad Mini, and the best is the iMac 2019. There is a lot of new products coming out. And you can listen to it via the AirPods 2 that Apple announced this week too. And the Apple iPhone 11 announced to be released on September 11, which is, so it should be on Tuesday 10th September, but maybe they will push it to 1 week later on 17 or 18 September. Now, after the Samsung revealed the Google Stadia for gaming streaming platform, I was like, ooh, that hurt. Ooh, this is crazy new technology. If you're watching an ad on YouTube, guys, at the end, play, you press it, and you go download the game. But with Stadia, you play directly. You don't have to download anything. This is wow. And switching between a different platform from TV to tablets to laptop in like seconds, that hurts a lot. But let's move on to Huawei. On 26th of March, the P series. That will hurt twice. I want you to watch closely Parker Wahlberg video. He shot videos with an unreleased smartphone that will be soon revealed. And I know, guys, he shot with the P30 series. This is definitely the Huawei phone he's using. And guys, in the back, I know there is 42 megapixel camera, and in the front 38 megapixel. Whoa, it's a bunch of megapixels. There is a new market Huawei is coming out soon, is the TV market. We are waiting for it, Huawei. Now I am done. It's your turn to say goodbye. It's nice news, huh?
Very nice news. Thank you for the news, and thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, unboxmuse, and if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, both of us, if you wanna have fun, enjoy while we unbox the latest technology, just subscribe now. Alright, thank you for watching and see you next week.
Hey,
What?
before you go, you don't want some chocolate?
No, I'm fine.
Look how.
No.
Wow, 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 wow,
Wait,
wow,
wait.
wow, wow,
Wait.
Oh.
No.
You sure you don't want? Yeah.
No.
Yes,
Don't
you
do
want.
it.
Yes.
Don't do it.